Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Got another unboxing of a game board unboxing review. Now I am struggling on this one. This is from Waddington's of Leeds and London. It's called Sorry, and I don't know why there are two Chinese looking people with a full regalia with a broken vase. I don't know. I bought quite a few games quite a while ago and then just never played them. Yeah, I got the name of the original owner there. Nothing underneath. Now, this is going to be tricky because I don't know about this game. So, standard board, looks like a bit of a... Actually, if you want to play along... Oh, God. Page 1. Pause it whenever you want. Page 2 and 3. And then page 4. So pause there and read the instructions if you like. If not, then yeah, just go along and we'll have a good look at this as we're going. Now, obviously being repackaged, it's not fresh out of the box. I'm not sure if it's like is it Ludo sort of game? Looks like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 reds, even though one's different. 1, 2, 3, 4 blues, another one different. Green, 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 green. I'll have a guess that you're meant to have, or the person who had this before me lost the counters and replaced them with something else. Look very much like traditional Cluedo pieces there. So we have not got a dice. We definitely do not have a dice, but we do have cards. So I'm guessing it's not a dice game. Let's get a few of these out. So this would go on there or there, I don't know. Let's take a card off. Aha! So it does not need a dice then. So let's start off with blue. Now, blue starts on home, red starts on home. Come on. I'll guess it's one of them games that you have to get all your counters back to the start. Yeah, it's all coming back to me now since I haven't played it. So, start with green. Start a man out or move one square. Okay, so that's just, it's a dice move. So I'll move him to there. So the next person, that was yellow. Move one forward 3 spaces, right. Move one man. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. And for blue, move forward 3 spaces. Ooh, move one man forward 11 squares. Any one of your margin men may change places with one margin men at any opponent. No, forfeit move. You will do not wish to change your places. What? Okay, so do I move one? This is, I'm doing there then. Move on 11 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're getting on with that one. I'm sure this is completely wrong. I agree. We'll move one man forward 10 squares or move one man backwards 1 square. Okay, I'm sure that will come into its own if you'd landed on maybe there, if you're there, and then move over to there. I don't know. I haven't read the full instructions yet. So maybe these are boost ones, maybe you gain something. I don't know. So obviously it looks like you're going all around the board to get to here, and then you're going up to the safety zone. You might even be a case of if you go in slow round, you get knocked off the board. I don't know. Maybe it's one of them games that I need to start playing, because it looks quite interesting. Very, very Chinese, very Oriental, isn't it? With all the trees. Yeah, I think I might get into this. Might get this dug out and have a good game with this. So, yeah, it looks like a standard sort of turn-based board game with 4 pages of instructions, which would explain probably all these parts anyway. Yeah. So yeah, quite a nice little game. I don't know much about it. I'm sure there's been other variations or whatever. It might just be Ludo and it's just called Sorry. I don't know. But yeah, another unboxing for you. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe. I've got plenty of other videos, board games, Star Trek stuff, retro, gaming stuff, anything, everything on. Just have a good good dig around through the playlist and stuff. So, and with that in mind, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.